blog, you will find the history of BMX from its beginnings to the present day. You can find relate videos of the history. Also, when you see the art and practice of this sport, and some events placed in the world of sport. BMX started in the early 1970s is when children began racing their bicycles on dirt tracks in Southern California, drawing in inspiration from the motocross superstars of the time. The other, the size, the size wheelie bikes made then the natural bike of shoes. Since they were easy costumes for better hardening. I choose this topic because I love sport stream that have a special me desplazarse do which every show as on bicycle. I am very passionate about this in so because they do not need more capacity. If it's to practice a sport, learn it with much effort. My dream is to be able for com, for com, for compete in an event such as the X Games. Finish.